Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be using our BH Cosmetics Sylvia Gani palette. That is the shades. And then we're going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. You guys already know we're going to be using that shade as a base for my new eyeshadow look. And then I learned this from Auntie Jackie. Let the concealer dry a little bit and then begin to blend it out, because it'll make it stick a little bit. It'll make the eyeshadow stick a little longer, and it'll also make it more pigmented. And we're going to be using the Ben Gay banana powder on our eyes just to kind of set the concealer so that when we begin to apply our eyeshadow, it'll be smooth. Now we're going to be filling out our eyeshadow line look. This is the most tedious part of the whole entire look, because even though like I'm really good with doing eyeliner, I'm not really good with drawing things on my eyes, so I had to take my time and actually draw out these. Well, I'm making it sound like it's not simple. It's actually very simple, but yeah, I just had to take my time because I was only doing this once. I wasn't going to start over if the line wasn't super straight, or if it even wasn't the same size on the other side when I start to do it. Now I'm going to be using the shade Sisterhood just in the middle of my eye, just to kind of like make it look bright, make it pop. I actually should have did this color, well, y'all didn't see it, but I should have did that color for the whole entire eye, but instead I decided to put this Too Faced, I think that's my Too Faced Fetched. Yeah, that's Fetched in the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbon palette. And then I'm using this random brown palette that I found, that someone gave to me. And I'm going to outline the look with my Colourpop Bff eyeliner. I wasn't even supposed to eyeline this look, like it was just supposed to be the color as the line, but when I added that brown at the ending, it didn't make it look as bright. It dimmed down the color a lot actually, so I just decided to put the eyeliner on it. Now you guys already know I'm putting my Black Radiance contour palette on here in the shade medium to dark. No. Yeah, medium to dark, because that's my skin tone. Period. But I'm just blending it all together, and then after this I'm going to proceed to put on my eyeliner, and then we're going to do my lips, and then it's going to be the end of the look. So stay watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video so far. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to check out the description box, because there'll be really cool things in the description box. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Tell me what y'all think. Stay tuned for the rest of the video and enjoy. Okay, so here I'm using this MK Beauty Supply brand lip liner on my lips, because it's really cute and simple, guys. It was literally only $1 from the beauty supply. Like, please don't sleep. Then after I apply these beautiful lip colors, I am then going to apply this matte long lasting lipstick that I got from someone. I don't really know what the brand is, but it's really good. And I'm just going to put it on my lips and blend it out with my finger. And then after that, I'm going to apply this Argan Oil Beauty Supply brand lip gloss, because who doesn't love a good lip gloss? Like, it literally has my lips popping. And yeah, so we're done. So enjoy, because I'm about to start talking. I mean, keep watching, because I'm about to start talking. So listen up. Okay, so our makeup look is popping or whatever. Y'all got Euphoria in the background. That's why I haven't been talking, because I've been getting into the show. But my makeup look is popping or whatever. Period. I forgot I could talk because I'm just watching the show. It's not copy, like me talking. The show is not going to get copyright from whatever, YouTube. But okay, this look is cute. I decided to experiment, try a little something different. I actually saw like the look where they did like the makeup in this little style. I saw it on YouTube. I mean, I saw it from this girl Instagram, but I decided just to add the black just to make it pop a little bit more and bring it out a little bit more. I really like it. I know I look rusty, dusty, crusty, but makeup is popping. I think I'm about to go do something to my hair. Then I'll get back on camera and tell y'all, but I think it's cute. Like, period. Hey guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications to be notified every single time I post another amazing video. Don't forget to check out the description box, because there will be really cool things in the description box, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you guys thought of this video and give me video suggestions. I love y'all so much. Don't forget to tell a friend to subscribe to your girl, so me, myself, and I can be popping. I love y'all so much, and I'll definitely see y'all in the next one.